Have you ever dreamed of making a lasting difference in the world, turning a passion for good into a powerful force for change? When we talk about launching a nonprofit, a key concept is the Internal Revenue Code Section 501(c)(3) status, which is granted to organizations operating for specific exempt purposes. These core purposes are typically defined as charitable, religious, educational, scientific, literary, testing for public safety, fostering national or international amateur sports competition, and preventing cruelty to children or animals. Understanding these categories is the first step towards securing your organization's tax-exempt status. The reason the Internal Revenue Service, or IRS, outlines these specific exempt purposes is to ensure that tax-advantaged entities truly serve the public good rather than private interests. Each category has its own distinct characteristics, designed to prevent abuse and maintain the integrity of the tax system. For instance, a charitable organization might relieving the poor, promote health, or lessen the burdens of government. An educational organization might instruct the public on subjects useful to individuals or the community, while a religious organization solely holds services or provides spiritual guidance. These definitions are crucial for both initial qualification and ongoing compliance, making sure your mission aligns perfectly with the federal government's criteria. To determine where your organization fits, carefully review your mission statement and proposed activities. Ask yourself if your primary goal aligns with one of the enumerated categories. For example, if you are providing relief to disaster victims, you are likely charitable. If you are teaching financial literacy to underserved communities, you might be educational. If you are operating a church or synagogue, you are religious. It is important to remember that many nonprofits engage in activities that could span multiple purposes, but the Internal Revenue Service will look for a clear primary purpose. You should articulate this clearly in your organizing documents, like your articles of incorporation and bylaws, and when preparing your Form 1023 application for recognition of exemption. A fascinating detail about these categories is how the Internal Revenue Service interprets them to evolve with societal needs. For instance, the definition of charitable work has expanded over time to include things like environmental protection and promoting human rights. Furthermore, an organization may qualify as exempt if its primary purpose is one of these categories, even if it has some secondary activities that are not directly exempt, as long as those activities are insubstantial. This flexibility allows a wide range of organizations to serve diverse communities, as long as they adhere to the fundamental public benefit principle. Knowing these nuances can help you strategically frame your organization's activities and mission. Ultimately, grasping these specific exempt purposes empowers you to structure your nonprofit effectively, ensuring it aligns with the Internal Revenue Service's requirements from day one. This foundational knowledge not only streamlines the application process, but also solidifies your organization's commitment to public service, enabling you to attract donors and grants with confidence, knowing you are operating within a recognized framework for positive societal impact.